Can you see?
I can't see his eyes.
Nicholas, say hi to your dad. Say hi to him.
You're 24 hours old and I'm talking.
Yeah. Tell her you're 24 hours old. See the camera? Look at those wrinkly fingers. Those long fingernails. Longer fingernails than his mama.